My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an author. I have written 10 books, so more, and 12 books on the publication, on the way of the publication. This or the uh, this is Lost Paradise Kashmir. How the Muslim culture devastated the Kashmir because Allah is the patron of the killers, rapist, and the robbery. It is the pure gunism of the Allah. And his Prophet Muhammad, Prophet was the head of the killers. This is correct. Because if you are the creator, Allah is a creator, then how he divide all the universe in two parts? That is the Muslims and the non-Muslims. Means Allah is biased against the non-Muslims. And if those people who are not following the Allah path, that is known as Islam, the Allah is very, very annoyed with non-Muslims. That is Hindus, Jews, Christians, and other non-Muslims. Why? You are a creator. When the Allah is discriminated against the non-Muslims, then why he created all these non-Muslims? Means Allah is not a creator. Creator is the so-called Prophet Muhammad of Islam, who created Allah for his vested interest of the robbery, encroach the land of the non-Muslim worship place as the synagogues, temples, fire temples, Buddha monastery, Hindu temples, Jain temples, Yazidi temples, and the churches of the Christians, and the atheists or the agnostics. All are the filthy and the liable to kill by the hand of the Muslims, because they are not Muslims. They are not following the stupidity of the Quran or Islam. Yes, Islam is the stupidity with the robbery, violence, killing, raping, rapes with the non-Muslim women. And Prophet Muhammad was the masterpiece or the ringmaster of all these heinous crimes which were committed by Muhammad and his companions, known as the Muslims. All the temples which are now converted in mosque in India were they were the temples of the Zen, Buddhism, and the mainstream Vedic culture. But these temples were encroached by these Islamic goons who were the invaders, as Mahmud Ghori, Mahmud Ghaznavi, Ahmad Sabdali, Taimur Lang, Nadir Shah. All these are the Islamic goons. A true Muslim is Islamic goon. He is a gunda in the literally meaning in Hindi, because if you are the goon or if you are the gunda, you do the work as the robbery, as the pickpocketing of the kill anybody, or to apply the blades on the innocent people to kill them. This is the gunda, or such resemblance with any Muslim who are doing according to Islam. Means in Islam is the synonymous of Gunism, Gundaism, and all the peoples who are following the Islam and do accordingly. They are the robbers, killers, and the rapists. And this certificate is inhibits in the Quran. Quran certified them as a Muslims. So according to Quran, these Muslims are the perfect robber, killer, and the rapist. I am not saying this. These are so many verses in the Quran. One verse stated that if a Muslim captured a woman of the non-Muslim, he can rape with her, which is the non-Muslim woman. This is why many non-Muslim women were raped by Muhammad and his companions during his lifetime. And this is holy work in Islam, to rape with the non-Muslim kafir woman. So, this is not the Gunism. This is not the crime. Certainly, the Muhammad committed so heinous crime. If he will alive in India, he will be in jail throughout the life or even the hanged. Due to our Indian constitution, Muhammad was a perfect killer, perfect rapist, perfect criminal, and his fate would be only the hanged. So my dear friends, my European peoples, people, not the peoples, my European people, all the non-Muslim of this world, we must understand what is Islam and what is the danger to our society which are non-Muslim, especially from the Islam. Islam is a dangerous more than cobra, snake, because cobra bites you when he is in danger, but the Islam always bites you. Islam always kills you. Islam always rape with your woman, because war of the Islam as is Jihad Asghar is always continue against the non-Muslims. If you think that there is no war in India, this is only because Hindu in majority. Where Muslim is the majority, they are harassing the non-Muslim throughout the world. For instance, you can see in Pakistan, Bangladesh, and there is no difference Dalit or Brahman in Pakistan. For the Hindus, they are the kafirs in the eye of the Islam, and they are wajib qatal or liable to kill by the hands of the Allah's goons or Allah's gunda, which known as the Muslims. This is the reality of the Islam. But the people are sleeping or feigning the sleeping. They cannot understand our voice because they are indulged in their vested interest. They have no care for the next coming generation of the non-Muslims, that their women, their daughters, their granddaughters will be raped by these Islamic goons. Because rape of any non-Muslim woman is not the sin in the Islam. It is the holy work. So all the holy work which is in Islam are the criminal works. There is no holy work in Islam according to the rule of law. The Islam is the full of the Gunism. And Allah is a contract killer. He contracted a prophet named as Muhammad bin Abdullah and his companions known as the Muslims, or the followers of the believers, or the believers in Islam, are the perfect goons against the civil society and civil etiquettes. Muslim, which is true Muslim, cannot understand this civil society, cannot follow of the law of the India or any other country, because they follow the Quran, and Quran is a totally barbaric, uncivilized ideology which was propagated by so-called self-proclaimed Prophet Muhammad bin Abdullah. Muhammad Abdullah was so selfless, selfish person that when he took the woman in a gift, Mary Al-Kibati and his younger sister Sirin was presented to Prophet Muhammad by the Christian governor of Alexandria, Al-Makukas. This is the prime example of the brutality and cruelty of the Islam, that in Islam there is no respect for the woman. In Islam it has been supposed that the woman has the half wisdom or half the brain. This is why evidence of two Muslim women is equal to one Muslim man. This is not discrimination. If we can fight against the untouchability and the casteism, then why the Hindus are not fighting against this Gunism? Why the Christians and Jews were not fighting against this Gunism? Only the Israelis fighting against the Gunism of the Islam, which has the salient feature of the robbery, killing, rapes, and looting the wealth of the non-Muslims. This is the real Islam. Real Islam is the criminology. The Quran is the book of the criminology. Quran cannot afford the Indian constitutional law. According to the Indian constitution or the law, Quran is a book of the criminology to provoke the criminal activities by the Muslims. So Quran must be banned throughout the world, not in India. And in next coming future, very soon in the 5 or 10 years, Quran will be banned. This is my firm determination. If all the non-Muslims and those Muslims who understood the reality of the Quran or treacherousness of the Prophet Muhammad, they are leaving the Islam. There is a tsunami of the non-Muslims. The ex-Muslims means those are leaving the Islam. So my dear friend, it seems Allah is the patron of the killers, rapists and the robbery. Because Allah might be great that a robbery, rape and the killing is not acceptable from the side of Allah. But Allah always respect these criminals because they are the believers or the Muslims. Allah never criticized the rape with the non-Muslim women, the robbery by the so-called Prophet Muhammad. Because everywhere, all the people which believe in Islam are benefited from the robbery of the non-Muslim wealth, women, and other horses, cattle fields, or the livestock. So this is the Allah who created an army which is totally Gunism against the society. Then this is not our duty to fight against this Gunism with wholeheartedly and with whole power, by logical or by weapons against the Islamic terrorism. Every Muslim who is follow the Islam and the teaching that is the Sunnah of the Muhammad is a terrorist. And they believe, those believe in Allah, Muhammad, Quran, they are the terrorists. Certainly they are the terrorists. And all the Islamic madrasas or Islamic schools are the epic center of the terrorism. And Arshad Madani is the dreadful terrorist of India. Yasir Al-Wajidi, who is living in USA, Chicago, is the certified terrorist of the United States of America because he is believing in such Quran which is provoking the violence against the non-Muslims. And this violence exceeds up to the rape of the non-Muslim women that are not Muslim. And Islam certified these women as a Malkai Amin, or the right hand possesses, means captive of the wars. This is the status of Islam, that captive of wars can be raped by these Islamic goons. Though United Nations organization parameter is that no non-combat person will be killed or will be harassed by any army. So Islam against the United Nations organization also. I am amazed that why the United Nations organization is recognized the Islamic countries. Well, all the Islamic nations are the member of the General Assembly of the United Nations organization. United Nations organization must debar all these Islamic countries because they are following the Gunism of Islam. They are the Islamic country. And the mean of the Islamic country is the full supporter of the Prophet Muhammad, means the criminal activities which was committed by Prophet Muhammad and his companion. After that, Ahmad Shah Abdali, Nadir Shah, Genghis Khan, all these are the invaders and the robbers. So Islam is the group of the robbers, and Allah is the patron of the robbers, killers and rapists. This is the reality of the Islam. We must know about this Islam. We must read the Quran. By these words, I stop this video. I hope you will subscribe my channel, put the bell icon, so every notification you will get as video uploaded on the YouTube. Thank you very much. Have a good day.